you with another video, and it's Zoe here again. You probably couldn't recognize me because of these crazy 4th of July glasses. Happy 4th of July, by the way. So today, in honor of 4th of July, I'm going to make a 4th of July video. And we're going to be making 4th of July themed slime. What you will need is contact lens solution, white glue for the white slime, a mixing utensil, something to make the slime inside of, food coloring, and you can use white glue too, but I'm using the white glue for the white slime, so I'm using clear glue for the other slimes. So the first thing, I think I'm just gonna make the white glue because, well, it's super easy. All you need to do is put white glue inside and then put the contact lens solution. So yeah, I'm gonna use all of it. Okay guys, so now it's time to put in the contact lens solution. You can use any contact lens solution, but the key, you need to have boric acid inside of the contact lens solution. So if there's any contact lens solution where it doesn't have boric acid, then you can't use it for slime. I'm just gonna open it, and you're just gonna mix it in until it starts forming into slime. Looks like I need more. Okay. Forming the slime now. Oh, and by the way, we added baking soda, and it helped it turn into slime a bit more. Okay, so this is the slime that I made. Okay, so this slime will wait until I make the other slime inside of this container. Okay, now I'm going to get the clear glue. Now I'm going to add the food coloring. Let's make this the blue one. Okay, and now we're gonna mix it. Okay guys, so after a while of hard work, finally activated.
You want to make it more blue?
Yeah, let's add more blue.
Just a drop or two.
1, 2. Okay. Mix it up because I don't want to get food coloring. Okay, let's just put it like this. Now it's time to make the red. Put the glue in here.
Put a little less.
Yeah, let's put a little less. There. Okay, so now let's put the red food coloring. Gonna add a lot because we don't want it to be pink. Okay. Okay. Now, oh, that's so pretty. Okay. now it's time to add the red. Move the white on over. And that's red, white, and blue, guys. Happy 4th of July. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!